What if humans weren't the dominant species on Earth? It's a question that scientists are beginning to explore, and the answer may surprise you. As human influence on the planet grows, some scientists are predicting that our time at the top could eventually come to an end. But who could possibly replace us? One scientist has an intriguing theory. He believes that the next dominant species could be octopuses. Yes, these incredible creatures are evolving rapidly and have the intelligence, adaptability, and problem-solving skills to potentially take our place. With their ability to communicate, solve complex problems, and adapt to different environments, octopuses may just be the next rulers of the Earth if they continue to evolve as they are. Could octopuses take over where humans leave off? Only time will tell, but it's a fascinating possibility to consider. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more thought-provoking science topics. For more on this story, find a link to the article on Earth.com in the description.